Here are 7 of the latest findings in psychology in 2023. Number 1. The benefits of gratitude. Studies have shown that gratitude can boost happiness, reduce stress, and improve sleep. There are many ways to practice gratitude, such as keeping a gratitude journal, writing thank you notes, or simply taking a few minutes each day to appreciate the good things in your life. Number 2. The power of social connection. Humans are social creatures and we need connections to thrive. Studies have shown that social isolation can lead to a number of health problems, including depression, anxiety, and heart disease. Make an effort to stay connected with friends, family, and loved ones, even if it's just through social media or video calls. Number 3. The importance of sleep. Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health. When we don't get enough sleep, we are more likely to experience fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep per night. Number 4. The impact of our thoughts on our health. Our thoughts can have a powerful impact on our physical health. Studies have shown that negative thinking can contribute to stress, anxiety, and depression, which can lead to a number of health problems. Practicing positivity thinking can help to improve our overall health and well-being. Number 5. The importance of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It can help us to reduce stress, improve our focus, and boost our happiness. There are many ways to practice mindfulness, such as meditation, yoga, or simply taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath. Number 6. The benefits of exercise. Exercise is not only good for our physical health, but it can also improve our mental health. Studies have shown that exercise can help to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and can also boost our mind and self-esteem. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Number 7. The power of positive relationships. Our relationship with others can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. Studies have shown that people with strong social support network are more likely to be happy and healthy. Make an effort to build and maintain positive relationships with friends, family, and loved ones. These are just a few of the latest findings in psychology in 2023. As research continues, we will learn even more about the mind and behavior. If you like this video, kindly like and share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.